Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beatings can see. But on the screen, a whole heap of guan. This is my says, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Listen, me want to kick it off with the Dolly teeth because I'm not gonna lie to you, my people. The Dolly them is teeth in from charities, and it's definitely not a good look that the people them have all of them receipts, you know. You see me, I say, right now the individual you see in at the beginning of the video is guilty and wanted for stealing $200 from Sunshine Doll charity event.
So, I hope you pick them up. That's all. And hand them over. I'm not two thief. I'm not two thief. As me say, karma is a bitch. It may be delayed, but it don't deny. All I want to know that. Make the little people them was sick. The woman them want to help. You know? Make them granny. The people them was sick and them something they want to help. Make them get the help. Shakira, come on, man. Somebody go look for Shakira page me now, Shakira. Somebody go look for Shakira page me, please. Cause I need to put up Shakira. Pretty need to know, look for Shakira too, you know, cause she wanted to, you know. She most wanted to, you know. Oh. She most wanted to. So find Shakira page. Didn't you there? When you find Shakira page, you want to Westmoreland, where Sarah house smashed down, and her pitting them can't go to school, and they live at the neighbor yard, and she get how much $1,000 for buy
Alright,
material.
Mr. Nigga.
Wow, putting in the comment section where the thing about that, man, not gonna lie to you people, they might deal with that wickedly over TikTok, you know. The whole of the media outlet them is posting this and these people are going in. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's proceed to the next trending topic, Mr. Out there in a dance song. And it has to do with none other than internet sensation Ivany, right? As you can see, homegirl just bought a new mansion, my people, or renting a new mansion. You see, man, I say, putting in the comment section where you think about that, because girl is definitely living the American dream, you know what I mean? But you know all the things said. Hi, haters, welcome. Supporters. A lot of people is saying this thing is CPN business, you know, because every 3 months she seems to be moving this, that, and the third. I don't know. You see me, I say, I don't know how the leasing thing goes in Atlanta. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, X, Y, and Z. You see me, I say, and you know, it's good for her to, you know, feel things out. You know what I mean? But you know, a lot of people are saying, you know, instability, blah, 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 because of ice and all of these things. You know what I mean? But me just give you an update on that aspect of things. No. As you can see on the screen, a problem because Jake brought up Ivani, baby daddy, and that wasn't a good look. So let's hear what I go on. For not to go on and proceed with the next.
When me attack, I'm gonna bring her up when me I attack. Why the fuck you love bring up people when me not like and people when me not talk about? I'm gonna bring up like that big suckle thinking shit bad will girl. So why I bring up people when me not talk about none talk for?
But Ivany, me never got nobody at all.
You don't have to call the name for we know who you attack. A one blood clot man fuck me and breed me and me know big father.
You would never you would talk to Ivany big bad.
Telling you this tonight. Pretty, thank you so much,
I'm
Nisha.
joking. I never you would talk to first.
Me in favor, if you talk to me, I talk to me. He's a toddler, my son. Me in favor, me. Everybody else, in the favor, not that is so good. Hong Kong. This me want all along. Just me and blood clot eyes. That pretty one was say what them I do, me love it. So that's what I go up on it that I come talk about. Oh, and the boy now, that's what me want it. That's what me want it. Don't look for ice, ice now to look over so neither. Thank you, babes.
Airport February is coming.
You hear me talk about suck with Rosealee? More while I made up on the screen, you hear me talk about suck with Rosealee, me talk about your baby mother, so we talk about ice father for. To blood clot me, where you mention him to me for. Dirty drunk crow. Ice now no brother, ice now no father, ice now no step, ice now none of them suck with something there. I'm gonna make my chip out tonight, you know something. Cause me like go up on every down to all the pussy in the yard. Don't fuck yourself with me and don't come back on my screen. And when me tell you, look a drunk crow, you come and repeat it again. After me don't tell you, look a low life man something already. You come back and you say it again. You come back, you say it the first time, and you say me a cuss about it, and you come back and you say it again. Stinking man, don't come back on my page. Don't blood clot come back. Because you can't see him. You come one time, you say it. You come back again, you say it again. And if me take off my makeup and start now, you that ear say. You that ear say. Don't call people names that I don't talk to. Block you too. No, me not take no talk from you, so cold block. Bitch, don't come over here.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Speaking about Rosealee, boy, when next voice note leak out with her, I talk about Akeem, you know what I mean? You know, I bag $1 million spent on Valentine's Day and she never get the body. You see me, I say she say tight in more than one ways, because you know, it's 7 months, nothing no ram up in her, you know. You see me, I say my people, so let's hear what go on for not to go on, because RT boss chime in pan things, you know what I mean? TikTok lie and whole crew is doing what they do best. You see me?
Some things on my mind will literally bother me.
Yes.
I keep some things on my mind will literally
Yeah,
bother me.
Rose.
I don't want it be a case where I store them up, I buckle them up, and store them up. It be a time where I'm outburst by you, especially on the net, and make it look away. You understand what I say? Alright. You might want to watch your Christmas. Come on now, Akeem. You might want to watch your Christmas. And you literally gonna tell Jay, say, me, but you want to watch Anna beg your fuck. You literally tell Jay, say, oh, me, but you watch Anna beg your fuck. Akeem, come here. Me, you and Jay are your friend, man. Everybody know a piece. Gabby your fuck. It's all the fact that I'm but I'm the one lick down one day, yeah? Remember, Jay and Dama go catch her over there with her foot dirty in your bed. So if you have dirty foot girl in your bed and fuck, what's wrong with me? You understand? Put away that. And a fuck scabby. Put away that. Really, take me for some look on dumb school. And I say your friend do them do what they yeah. But I literally a chap they run a friend them. Because if you don't rate me in a stump type of way, when your friend do what they yeah, he wouldn't do that. From the man me grill, yeah, chat me. Because when an elephant man room a chat me, an elephant man them back every blood clotting where you say,
Yeah, that's RT.
You understand? But I get to understand, say, when you go up on the net, your poetry one different story. You're a brother, and you're real. Because they me buy you a watch and simply ask you a question. When you got tell people say, oh, my buy a watch and I beg your fuck. What did your scabby girls them buy you for Christmas? If you can't burn a morning to a service, which one of you scabby them for the can ring and say, red tamble and tamble, none of them. You understand? None of them. And a rate, and I be a scabbing your fuck. So look at 30 people, them power they had. Them power they people listen to them say, me say, one bag of thinking, girl, them tell me. I'm know a little bit in my ear. Just hold it down. I'm not gonna shake the oil and rate me. I'm gonna have my clothes like by you. I'm gonna clothes like I'm saying and rate me. You understand what I say? I want people setting tail up on top.
Ça veut pas dire non, c'est chez mind the boy. Time love
But me say if you hear it come out her mouth, yo, she sounds so pitiful, yo, she
Carly can't
embarrassing.
say it get to her now, you know, because you hear she say, it get to her a long time, because she say, what do she? Because she look for all the things that we might do now and realize, say, boy, what she do not work, so she get fed up now too.
So RT, yeah, that one, but oh, you know, I get so RT. Is it
And she
proud
not
to
get nothing for
say?
Christmas, you know, RT don't buy her nothing for Christmas.
Yeah, but when you buy her, time no want to feel like you might get attached. He want to feel as if everything remain the same when him not interested. So if him go get her more things, she'll get more attached. So him not go get her nothing.
So I choose to stay with my nigga. I choose to stay with my nigga. Wanna say no want me. Me not talk to no boy. Wanna appreciate me. None at all. And I give me flowers and just be ungrateful. No more. Me sorry. Hush. I'm not leaving that. If I want to take him, I'm going to friend, I want a sister, I want an auntie, I want a niece, I want a mama. Because I know everybody have a motive. If me leave, now it's 5'11". If me leave him 5'12", him can't take the whole place I don't in one club. Me now ask. I tell you no. No matter where they want to see over here, the place I got turn in a one club.
And this is why I made it one Rose, not go for no video with Akeem, cause you not gonna get nobody, You see me, I said, but she have it in her mind that she gonna get the body set time. You see me? And at the set time, my people, whoa, this is just embarrassing, Me tell her I forgot link up with Jakes and get the D because Akeem is playing. You see me, I say, I know she out here tight and upset against our followers them. Anyway, people, we're not going longer this no longer, Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest, please.